There's very few places in New York where you have it all. In this building, you have it all. This block is beautiful, it's serene, it's quiet. You're right in the heart of Greenwich Village. You're in a beautiful building. You're in a beautiful unit. My name is Nicholas Campagnone. I'm proud to present to you apartment 824 at 24 Fifth Avenue. When you enter, you see a meticulously designed, custom-formed kitchen that has high-end Bosch appliances, custom fixtures that are dark, flat, cabinetry that is beautiful and contrasts wonderfully with the warm blue tones on the artwork on the backsplash. The living room has a great open floor plan. You have a great dining space that does not interfere or interrupt and flows right into the living room, which has 6-inch thick white oak flooring that's quarter sawn. And you also have an office, which is perfect if you plan on working from home. The office is windowed, so you have natural light that flows through. You have ample space for not only your computers, but also your library. It's great for an extra large custom fitted desk. The bedroom has incredible space. The ceiling height is 9 foot. You have amazing light, western views of Hudson Yards, and a great skylight throughout the day. A walk-in closet that fits all your needs. And you have an ensuite bathroom, which has radiant heat marble floors that was recently renovated and done. This bedroom's perfect for anybody who's looking for space. As far as location goes, Greenwich Village, you're in the heart of Manhattan. You're in the heart of New York City. The vibrancy, the eclectic nature of the neighborhood. I'm talking being next to train stations, museums, bars, parks. Makes this apartment really, really special. When you're here, you do have it all.